Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T30 Transporter Highline. This vehicle comes in the short wheelbase format and features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 PS. Power is delivered through a 6-speed manual transmission. This example comes finished in the metallic paint colour Ravenna blue. Across the front of the vehicle we'll find a set of LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights. In the front colour coordinated bumper we'll find a set of front parking sensors as well as front fog lamps with a cornering function. Down below the van sits on a set of 16-inch Clayton alloy wheels which come in a 5 twin-spoke star design. Moving around the rear of the vehicle we'll find a tailgate with a heated rear window, some transporter badging, and helping you park and manoeuvre there's a rear view reversing camera paired with a set of rear parking sensors. Opening up the tailgate reveals a factory fresh load area complete with multiple load lashing rings dotted throughout the load area floor. Access into the load area can also be found on the passenger side of the vehicle. 2 LED spot lamps allow plenty of light into the back of the vehicle, and there's a full steel black bulkhead separating the load area from the cab. A step on the side also allows easy access into and out of the vehicle. Up front in the driver's cab we'll find a twin armrest seat for the driver. Adjacent to this there is a twin-seater passenger bench with some under-seat storage. Moving across the dash and in the forms of entertainment we'll find a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows users to access all their AM, FM as well as DAB radio stations, alternatively connecting their smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Beneath this are the climate controls for the vehicle. The van features 2 front heated seats as well as climatic air conditioning. Further down to the left we'll find a 12V and 2 USB Type-C charging points, and if you're keeping those smart devices charged while on the go, and the driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T30 Transporter Highline in the long wheelbase. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.